Hi, my name is Terry Engel. I am the Assistant Director of Recruitment at Bodwell High School. Bodwell High School is a boarding school that specializes in university preparation for international students. Our boarding program is robust. It gives students an opportunity to not only be active, but also be productive. We specialize in university prep, which means that we provide a lot of academic support for our students. We offer them a lot of opportunity to really have robust university applications. We work closely with those universities. We have 10 academic counselors that work closely with our students, helping them achieve the goals that they come to Canada to achieve. We really focus on helping the needs of the international student, which is quite different from the needs of a local student in Canada. International students need more support, not just academic support, but they need more support just in terms of life, in terms of their life skills. Their parents usually need more support and more communication and more focused communication. And this is exactly what Bodwell focuses on. I invite you to come to Bodwell, realize your dreams by going to a top university and spending your time in an international environment in the heart of Vancouver, one of Canada's most multicultural cities.